Do you know how to create playlists on your YouTube account? If not, stay tuned. Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will get updated on my uploads, videos, and live streams. Today's video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create playlists in our YouTube account. So let's start. First, you have to go to your YouTube studio. And when you are in your YouTube studio, go to the left side of your screen and look for the playlists. Click on the playlists. And this will prompt in your screen. You may be asked to create new playlists. So click on New Playlist and write on your title. Playlist tests. Then click on Create. If you wanted to put this on public, click on Public, Unlisted, or Private. I have chosen Public. So click on Create. Now, this will prompt in your screen and you will be asked to put videos on your playlist. So click on the triple dot options here next to the descriptions. Click on that and click on Add Videos. For adding videos, you may search video titles. You may search also through URL and from your YouTube videos. Since I am making a playlist from my YouTube videos, I will click on this. And then I have to choose videos from my uploaded videos. So click on that as much as you can. Or you may choose the video that you only wanted to be included. Now I have chosen my videos and have to click on Add Videos. Now, videos are added on my playlist. Now, in case that you have new videos and you wanted to add another video, you can start on the first step. And then once you are prompted here, go again to the triple dot options and click on Add Videos. Again, same step, you go to your new videos and then Add Videos. Now, you wanted to delete some videos from your playlist. You have all the videos right here. Go to the triple dot again on the right side of your screen. Click on it. And then you have different options. So we have to look for remove from the playlist or from your playlist list. Then click on Remove. Then it is been removed. Now you can add or remove some videos all you want. If you wanted also to delete your playlist, same thing you're going to do. Go to the triple dot options and click on Delete Playlist. There you go. So if I go to my YouTube account now, I am going to go to my own studio, to my own channel now, and then go to your playlist, and you can see already here all the playlists that you have created. Just follow the steps and enjoy creating your playlist. Hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye everyone.